Hello and welcome back to the Monitoring Student Activity and Performance Blackboard Black Belt series. In this video we will continue exploring Blackboard's Grade Center by learning a little about the advanced grading features within the full Grade Center. Let's get started by clicking on the Test Smart View in the course menu. Here we can see that we have 3 items that are categorized as a test. A couple of people have taken this green belt test. I'd like to see how they did, what questions they missed, and how long it took them. To do this, we can click on the Options menu icon to the right of the item's name, and then click Attempts Statistics. This page will show us a crude item analysis on each of the questions in our test. If you'd like more advanced statistics, you can choose Column Statistics. As you can see, there are a lot more advanced statistics to be found here. Finally, inline grading from within Blackboard is a great feature, but sometimes an instructor needs to work offline for one reason or another. The assignment file download and work offline features allow the instructor to do just that. To download all submissions for a particular assignment, simply click on the Option menu icon to the right of the column name, and then click Assignment File Download. Since this is a group assignment, there is only one submission, but if it were an individual assignment, you would see a long list of student submissions. Simply check the Select All checkbox at the top, and then click the Submit button. This will take you to a confirmation screen with a download link. Click the Download Assignments Now link, and save the zip file to a location on your computer. After unzipping the file, you will notice an assignment submission file. In this case, it's a Microsoft Word document. There's also a TXT file. You will have 2 files for every submission. The TXT file simply gives the instructor metadata on the submission. Now that we have the submissions downloaded, we need a way to enter the grades for the submissions. Going back to the full Grade Center, hover over the Work Offline menu in the top right of the screen, then click Download. On this page, we can select to download the full Grade Center, which would include all columns in the Grade Center, a select grading period if we've set up grading periods, a selected column, or just the user information. This is handy if an instructor just needs the names of the students. For this demonstration, we're going to choose Selected Column and then choose the assignment that we recently downloaded the submissions for. We can choose a comma or tab delimited format and whether or not to include any hidden information if the instructor set up hidden columns or rows. Finally, we select where we want to download the file to. For this demonstration, I'm going to leave all the default values and click the Submit button. From here, click the Download button. Save the file to a location on your computer. From here, the instructor can open the file and enter grades as he or she reads the file submissions. When the instructor is finished grading and is ready to upload the grades, simply go back to the full Grade Center, hover over the Work Offline menu in the top right of the screen, and click Upload. Click the Browse My Computer button to locate the file that you entered and saved the grades into. Most often it's best to leave the delimiter type option to Auto, but if your upload fails, you might need to experiment with this setting. Click Submit. Depending on the size of your file, this might take a little while to upload. You'll see this confirmation page. If everything looks right, just click Submit. And you will now see that all the grades have successfully been uploaded. Before we conclude, let's take a moment to review our best practices for monitoring student activity and performance. Assessments with points are added automatically to the Grade Center. If you've created an assessment in Blackboard that has points, even 0 points, then Blackboard has already created a column for that assessment in the Grade Center. Don't create another column for that assessment, as this can become confusing. Hiding a column only hides it from your view. Hiding a column from your view in the Grade Center does not remove it from the student's view. If you want to hide a column from the gradebook, use the Edit Column Information function and set it to Hidden from Student View. Running totals need 0 for grades. If you choose to leave your total columns as a running total, enter zeros for any assignments that students fail to turn in. This way they'll have an accurate picture of their actual grade in the course. 4. Customize the retention center to fit your needs. Every rule in the retention center can be customized to meet your preferences. Well, that concludes this final video in the Monitoring Student Activity and Performance Blackboard Black Belt course. Congratulations on finishing the entire Monitoring Student Activity and Performance Blackboard Black Belt series. Don't forget to take the quiz to complete the course. You'll need 100% on the quiz to finish the course, but don't worry, you have as many attempts as you need. Thanks for watching.